Bangalore, the Silicon Valley of India, is not just a hub for technology but also a thriving center for industrial manufacturing, particularly in the realm of steel fabrication. Among the many companies that dot this landscape, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as a beacon of innovation and quality. This powerhouse of steel fabrication has been transforming the skyline of Bangalore and beyond with its cutting-edge designs and robust structures. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd has carved a niche for itself in the competitive world of steel fabrication by offering a comprehensive suite of services. From conceptualization to execution, their team of skilled engineers and craftsmen breathe life into steel, creating everything from intricate architectural marvels to sturdy industrial frameworks. Their portfolio sparkles with diverse projects, including sleek office complexes, expansive industrial sheds, and avant-garde residential structures that push the boundaries of what's possible with steel. What sets SCON Design apart is their unwavering commitment to quality and innovation. By leveraging state-of-the-art technology and adhering to international standards, they ensure that each project is not just a structure, but a testament to engineering excellence. Their use of advanced 3D modeling and simulation techniques allows clients to visualize the end product with stunning clarity, making the journey from concept to reality seamless and exciting. The impact of SCON Design on Bangalore's industrial landscape is profound. By consistently delivering projects that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also structurally sound and environmentally sustainable, they've raised the bar for the entire industry. Their projects have become landmarks, attracting businesses and contributing to the city's economic growth. Moreover, their commitment to using locally sourced materials and employing local talent has created a ripple effect, boosting the regional economy and fostering skill development in the steel fabrication sector. Looking ahead, the future seems bright for SCON Design India Pvt Ltd. As Bangalore continues to grow and urbanize, the demand for innovative steel structures is only set to increase. With their finger on the pulse of emerging trends like green building practices and modular construction, SCON Design is well positioned to lead the charge into a new era of sustainable and efficient building solutions. The steel fabrication industry in Bangalore is a testament to the city's industrial prowess, and companies like SCON Design India Pvt Ltd are at the forefront of this revolution. Their blend of technical expertise,